Welcome to the world of 2024, where getting a personal loan is more streamlined than ever. You might wonder, why would I ever need a $100 loan? Well, life can surprise us in small ways. Maybe it's an unplanned dinner with old friend, a book you've been eyeing, or a sudden utility bill. Small as it may seem, $100 can make all the difference. Gone are the days of cumbersome loan processes. Let's walk through how you can effortlessly secure that $100. Number 1. Online lenders. In today's digital age, online lenders have taken the center stage. Their platforms are user-friendly, require minimal paperwork, and you'll often get a response in mere minutes. Whether you're sipping coffee at a cafe or waiting for your subway train, you can apply for a loan from your mobile device. However, it's essential to tread wisely. There are many lenders out there. Prioritize those with positive reviews and transparent terms. Number 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Imagine borrowing money from a collective pool of individuals willing to lend. That's P2P lending for you. It's less formal than a bank, yet structured. With no traditional bank as a go-between, the process is expedited. You present your needs, and potential lenders can choose to fund your request. Number 3. Microloan apps. For those moments when you need cash in a flash, microloan apps come to the rescue. They specialize in small, short-term loans, often bypassing credit checks. Application is swift, but be mindful of the interest rates. Their convenience might come at a premium. Number 4. Traditional banks and credit unions. Believe it or not, our trusty old banks and credit unions have kept pace with the times. Many have modernized their loan processes, especially for smaller amounts. If you've built a rapport with your local bank or credit union, it's worth exploring their fast-track loan options. You might be pondering about the role of your credit score in all of this. The truth is, for a $100 loan, many lenders offer some wiggle room. While a robust credit score can smoothen the process, some platforms weigh other aspects heavier, such as your current income, recent financial behaviors, or even vouching from your acquaintances. Alright, with this newfound knowledge, you're well equipped to navigate the waters of obtaining a $100 personal loan in this day and age. Remember, the landscape is filled with options. Whichever route you choose, prioritize understanding the terms and ensuring that it aligns with your financial health. While we've touched upon the primary methods to obtain a $100 personal loan, let's delve deeper into the precautions and best practices. No matter how easy it becomes, borrowing money is a responsibility, and it's crucial to approach it with a clear head. Understanding interest rates. When obtaining any loan, interest rates are a crucial factor. Especially with a small loan, a high interest rate can quickly make a $100 loan cost significantly more. Always compare rates across different platforms and be wary of offers that seem too good to be true. Read the fine print. It's easy to skim through terms and conditions, especially when the pages are long. However, they might contain crucial details about fees, penalties, and other charges. Ensure you understand the full scope of your commitment before you sign on the dotted line. Repayment capabilities. Before borrowing, evaluate your repayment capabilities honestly. While a $100 loan might seem minor, failing to repay can affect your credit score and future borrowing potential. Create a simple repayment plan, even if it's for a month, to ensure you stay on track. Ask questions. If there's something unclear about the loan terms or if a particular clause seems ambiguous, don't hesitate to ask. Whether it's a traditional bank or an online platform, they should have customer service avenues. It's better to ask upfront than to be surprised later. Avoid multiple small loans. In times of financial stress, it might be tempting to apply for multiple small loans across platforms. While it might seem like a good idea, juggling multiple repayments can become complex and stressful. Instead, consider consolidating your needs and applying for a single loan that covers your requirements. Now, let's retouch upon the role of technology in this lending ecosystem. With the rise of AI and machine learning, many platforms employ these technologies to assess borrower reliability. While this might seem impersonal, it can often result in faster approvals. By analyzing vast amounts of data, these systems can predict your repayment capabilities better than traditional methods. It's another reason why even those with less than perfect credit scores have a shot at borrowing in 2024. Continuing our journey on securing a $100 personal loan in 2024, let's shift our focus towards leveraging our digital footprint and understanding the changing landscape of credit scores. In this digital era, your online behavior might also influence your loan approval. Lenders are starting to look at your digital footprint, which includes your shopping habits, social media activity, and even how you interact with financial apps. A responsible digital footprint could be beneficial when applying for loans. Evolution of credit scores. Traditional credit score is no longer the only measure of your credit worthiness. New models incorporate more data points such as rental payment history, utility bills, and even your saving patterns. This inclusive approach opens doors for those who have been financially responsible but lack a traditional credit history. Avoiding debt cycles. It's imperative to borrow for the right reasons and avoid falling into debt cycles. A $100 loan for a necessary expense is one thing, but repeatedly borrowing for non-essentials can lead to problematic financial habits. Always assess the necessity of your loan. Emergency funds and alternatives. Consider creating an emergency fund to avoid small loans in the future. Even setting aside a small amount each month can build up a cushion to help you in times of need. Additionally, explore alternatives like borrowing from friends or family, which may come without interest rates and formalities. Financial literacy. Empower yourself with financial literacy. Understanding basic financial principles can go a long way in managing your finances. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make when it comes to borrowing and repaying loans. Technology not only makes the process of obtaining a loan easier, but also offers tools for better financial management. Use budgeting apps to keep track of your finances. Set up alerts for payments and monitor your credit regularly to stay informed. As you consider a $100 personal loan, remember that the decision should align with your overall financial strategy. Borrowing should never be an impulse decision, even if it's just $100. As we approach the end of our exploration into the $100 personal loan journey of 2024, there are some overarching ideas to keep in mind. The ethical side of borrowing. Loans, whether big or small, come with a moral responsibility. It's a pact of trust between the borrower and the lender. While financial institutions have mechanisms in place to recover funds, it's the ethical obligation that should drive timely repayments. This trust forms the foundation of the entire lending ecosystem. Benefits of timely repayments. Paying back a loan on time has multiple advantages. Not only does it boost your credit score, but it also enhances your reputation in the eyes of the lender. Should you need financial assistance in the future, a history of timely repayments can smoothen the process considerably. Utilizing technology for repayments. Make use of technology to ensure timely repayments. Automate your repayments or set reminders so you never miss a due date. This not only ensures that you avoid late fees, but it's also a stress-free way to manage loans. Reflecting on financial choices. Every loan, irrespective of its amount, offers a moment for introspection. Why did you need this loan? Was it an emergency, a lack of planning, or perhaps an impulsive decision? Such reflections can be instrumental in shaping future financial decisions. In the ever-evolving world of 2024, the dynamics of personal finance are constantly shifting. What remains unchanged, however, is the essence of responsibility and trust. Whether you're borrowing $100 or $10,000, it's not just about the money. It's about the commitment you make to repay it, trust that the lender places in you, and the financial habits you cultivate along the way. So, as you think about that $100 loan, remember, it's not just a transaction. It's a testament to your financial character, and it's a stepping stone in your financial journey.